Hi everybody and welcome to another workshop update.
Welcome everyone, buzzing. We are still absolutely buzzing from last week at
Gravity.
Guys that we met, the connections that we made, absolutely amazing. If you haven't seen the video, that was the one that went up last week's video. Guys, watch the video. Like I say, we're just starting to come back down off our cloud after that one.
Yeah, I mean, there was so much buzz around the 190s. We had so many shows now.
Yeah,
it was just ridiculous.
It's getting some great attention.
It's getting some great attention. And
as another week, another workshop update.
Yeah.
Let's have a look what's going on and what's actually paying the bills this week.
Absolutely.
This is really, really pretty. It's just so original. It's coming for a little bit of rust, although the bodywork on the outside looks really, really great. It's had some sort of a mini restoration at some point, but they haven't sort of spent the time underneath the car in the sense of the underneath of the bonnet's a bit rusty, the inside of the boot's a bit rusty. So we're just tackling a bit of rust corrosion going on in there. But yeah, that's job number one.
I was having a look inside. This is like it's come off the showroom.
Yes, he did say that it's come out of a retrim. The guy actually bought it like this. He's bought it like this. So someone has spent a lot of time and money in it. Just look at this interior, absolutely stunning. The workmanship that's gone into this. I'm not sure who's done it. I will find out. And if I do find out, I will put it in the comments or I'll make a note of that for another video. But the stitching on the steering, the leather is just so soft. Usually we will cover these seats, but I've just taken the seat covers off. So if anyone picks up on that, we've taken the seat covers off for this video. But it's so soft, it's actually really, really nice. A very good job on the retrim. Beautiful.
So Bob, these cars, although they're rare, it's really nice to see that you guys are restoring them, but I can't help but notice something's missing.
Right, so we've started stripping the car. Like I mentioned earlier on, a bit of rust corrosion going on. Stripped it down. And inside, as you can see, we've started cleaning up the rust, sanded it down. But as we're leaving it for the night now, we don't want to leave it open to the elements and come back tomorrow with some surface rust on there. So we've just given it a coat of acid primer on there. So that's how we're going to leave it for tonight. Moving on. Right, so we've got this Range Rover Evoque kit. It's coming from a dealer. They've just asked us to give it a full decontamination and a machine polish. Enhance it, bring the color back up so that they can take it back to their showroom and give it a ceramic coating. We won't be doing the ceramic coating here, but the dealership will. But yeah, simple job, nice and easy. Following on, follow me. This one, Porsche 997. We've just painted the quarter panel, the door, and we're doing a front end. So as you can see, this is the sort of finish that we get straight out of the gun. It will be de-nibbed and polished, but the reason we've taken the door off and painting the whole inside shut area so we don't get those nasty shut lines there. So that's the reason we've taken the door off. That is fresh out the oven, really.
So Bob, that was a great update. I know this is just nice and short and quick, but it's what pays the bills on the day-to-day.
Yeah, this is what pays the bill. This is our day-to-day stuff. So, you know, like if we put things into a reality form, it's not always a matter of the flash cars and the Porsches and the Ferraris and the Lamborghinis going in and out the workshop. We will also take on insurance work and things like that, which actually pays the bills and keeps us rolling to make videos. And going on from there,
there is sometimes some exciting work that you do.
We do some exciting work, maybe stuff like that we've been teasing everyone in the background. So for the last few months, we've always said that there's things that happen in the background, and that background job is soon coming to an end, and we're going to be dropping that video extremely soon. So
something famous, something you definitely know. It's been a talk of...
It's been a talk over the last few years, this car has. So if you know about your cars,
you'll know.
And you've been following a certain scene, you will know about this car. So keep an eye out.
Yeah, watch this space.
Watch this space, and our next video, hopefully coming out soon,
will probably be that car arriving.
Will be that one, and following its journey.
Absolutely. And with that, Bob, I think we're done for another episode, right?
Yep, we're done. Guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Make sure you ring that bell.
And give us a comment. What do you think that the mystery car is?
Take care.
See you next time.